She now go risk giving away for her location for come hand him $10,000 for get to somebody. Not happen.
So how do we find our location? Because obviously, she's still there.
We have to keep eyes on who we know she go after, which is Carlton.
So you want me to keep an eye on him?
No, me not think that would have wise. Remember say you and him have a look around in the shop. So him know you.
My point exactly. Me have to go pay my visit.
Bubbles, we still have the minister to worry about. How we are going to deal with that?
That is where you come in with this nurse girl. The information what she give the minister about your brother, I want to know why she feel like she didn't have the need to say anything to him.
So, you think they might be associated?
That's what you're going to find out. She's not only a nurse, she's also a social psychologist. So, you are going to go in with issues, boyfriend issues.
Wow. So, we gonna have man problem.
Again. What?
Tony and I whisper. I will be running the agency as of now. You two are the only two persons that I trust at this very moment. So, whatever information is being passed is going to be here or on the new burner phones that I'm going to give to you.
Totally understand, boss.
Copy that.
The agency have a lot of issues going on. And at this point, we're the only ones who can save it. We have to be extremely discreet and alert in everything that we execute. Which is why I said you guys meet me here. It is one of Mr. Mullins' hideaway.
And that's why it's so hard for fine. Bubbles, whisper turns so, then him turns so, him go down the road, him come back up. Right now, him want gas. And the agency can't give a better vehicle.
You have a better vehicle for give?
We work with what we have.
Remember say, not even in personal vehicle, supposed to be a flashy vehicle. That's why I'm have that a drive.
You hear that? Loan me with my mini spaceship. If not, you don't want to come in there? Just make carrying job it's simple.
In our
Exactly.
I have some strategic plans to put together. And as soon as I do that, I will deliver them to you guys personally.
alright.
Yeah. Bossy. What about that thing when Mr. Mullins did that plan?
That's one of the reasons why I take up the reins. But we will talk afterwards.
Glad you decided to take it up, because that never did make no sense.
Above my pay grade.
I have to take this. Give me a minute.
You know what going with him and Destiny in our school?
No, him never thought about it. But him get 2 phone calls with a come here and him never answer it. Him look how tight.
Something about him. And him don't want to talk about it. But I guess when we come around, we just have to give him time.
Yeah. Nice little office. So, I don't have food.
I
me go order something.
Babe,
Yeah.
I get some food for you.
What I get?
Something special. Trust me, you will like it.
Okay.